Hello everyone, this is a tutorial for all the students that are having configuration problems with Nextcloud or NBGrader or even with installing Ubuntu. So we will try this new method for fetching and submitting assignments bypassing Nextcloud and NBGrader, and it should also work on Windows, Mac, as long as you have installed Jupyter Notebooks and Python. I'll give this example for video coding, but they are the same steps for every seminar. So you just need to go to the Moodle page of the respective seminars and follow these instructions. So now I'm here again on the home folder of Jimi Hendrix. There is no Nextcloud folder, there's no shared folder, there's nothing. So I'm going to create a new folder named TU Imenal Seminars. You can name it as you want. We are just going to download a zip file, we will extract inside the folder, we will work, then we will zip all the solution and we will post it. So in my case, I'm using Ubuntu here, but you can use Windows wherever you want. Inside here, I will create a new folder called Video Coding Seminar. Now I will go to Moodle. This is video coding, but if you are taking other seminars, you just go to the respective page. Now we have here under the seminars, so we have Seminar 0 and Seminar 1. So you must click on the seminar, then you need to download this Seminar 0. Then I will save this in my seminar here. Then I am going to extract here. So here I have my Seminar 0 Jupyter Notebook. I will start a terminal inside this folder. So I see Seminar 0 is here. I will not activate any environments because I want to show that you don't need any NBGrader anymore, and I don't have NBGrader on my base environment. But if you have your environment, you can activate it. You just don't need to use NBGrader. So now I will start Jupyter Notebook. I will go to my Jupyter Notebook. As I mentioned, it's always good to trust. So this is Seminar 0. I will just execute all the cells. I'll have problems because I don't have all these libraries installed. Anyway, if you have all the libraries installed, you have congratulations, all packages are installed. But I will submit it anyway like this, so I will save here. I will close. I go back to my folder in Seminar 0. I will select everything and I will compress. So all the files inside this folder, you need to create a zip file with it, and it needs to be your matricle number. My matricle number, as an example, is 12345. Then underscore, and you need to put Seminar 00, and I'm going to save it as a zip file. So I create it. It must follow this naming convention and it must be a zip file. So now I can go back to Moodle. Then I go to Seminar 0. I click here. Here I'm going to see add a submission. So you click here, then you click here, and you can browse to upload the Seminar 0. Make sure that you choose the zip file that you created that contains all the files inside this folder. Then you open and you upload this file, and you save changes. And here you can submit the assignment. If you made a mistake and uploaded the wrong file, you can remove submission or add submission, but I have the correct one, so I will submit the assignment. And are you sure you want to submit your work for grading? Okay. And you have submitted the assignment. So we will try this method. Let's see if it works. We will still use Jupyter assignments. I will still use NBGrader as the instructor, but if you're having configuration problems, now you can work on the assignments and try to solve the configuration problems later on during this course. I hope this helps, and I see you another time. So now I can go to Moodle. I go to Seminar 0. So if you were here, then you just go back to Seminar 0. You click on it here,